Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best Debloater app for your Windows 11 in a very simple way. You can see this app is rightly made for your Debloater and a lots of settings that can help you to boost your performance into your computer. As you can see into the app, we come over into the dashboard and there is an option for tweaks, utilities, cleanser, and restore points, DNS manager, app settings, a lot more. If you don't know how to download this app, I rightly give you the website link into video description. From there, you can simply go for the Sparkle website into the GitHub, and then you can simply come over into this release option. And from here, you can simply download and install Sparkle in your computer. And then after open the Sparkle app in your computer, you can rightly get the dashboard over here. If your PC is running slow right now, you can simply click on the tweak options, and it will going to give you the link for the tweaks. And from here, you can simply see the Debloat Windows option. It will say docs and apply. Well, there are lots of options over here, but right now I'm going to show you a very basic thing to debloat your Windows PC. For going those tasks, I will going to recommend you to turn on this option called Ultimate Performing Power Plan. And whenever you turn on the Sparkle app in your computer, you're going to get this create a restore point option, and from here you need to click on the yes option. It will going to create a restore point for your computer. It will going to be very safe. After we're going to click on this Debloat Windows, click on apply, simply click on apply, and then you can simply see the applying tweak Debloat Windows is rightly running. Into this section, you can simply see the choose your Debloat approach. It's coming over with the Sparkle Debloat and the Rapier Windows 11 Debloat. Well, I'm going to go for the first one because it's recommended, and I'm going to click on the continue option. And here you can simply select your apps to keep Debloat with. So I'm going to select the 3D Builder, 3D Viewer, and Clocks. Oh, I already use it, Element Clocks. Going to select Amazon, Bing, Finance, Bing, Food and Drink, Bing, Hilton Fitness, Bing News, Sports, Translator, Travel, Bing Weather, Bubble Witchy Saga, Candy Crush Saga, Clipchamp, Video Editor, Cortana, Dev Home, Disney Plus, Duolingo, Facebook, From Villa 2, Feedback Hub, Get Started, Instagram, Mail and Calendar, Maps, Microsoft Copilot, Microsoft Family, Journal, Messaging, News, Teams, leave them Microsoft Teams, Microsoft To Do, Mixed Reality Portal, Movies, TV, Netflix, Notepad. I'm not going to go for the Notepad. Office Hub, Office Suite, Connect, OneDrive, OneNote, Paint, I'm going to remain it, Pandora, Plex, leave the photos, Power Automation, Power BI, Prime Videos, Prime 3D, and Skype, Solitaire Collections, Sound Records, Spotify. Oh, leave the Spotify here, Sticky Notes, and Teams TikTok. You just need to select the apps that you really don't need to use them, and you can simply install them. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to start the Debloat. It will be starting the Debloat, as you can see, apply to Debloat Windows, and it will going to take some minutes to complete. And as you can see, the tweaking is completed, and this is how we can simply do this method. It's a very simple process to do that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for other videos. Till then, goodbye.